Alright, boys and girls, in this video I'm going to show you how to use all of the different background image properties on one line using the background shorthand property. Alright, so let's take a look. Alright, so here I have a div. Here it is, it's called mybg, and here it is styled down here. Oops. You'll notice it has a background image, background color. We make sure it doesn't repeat. We're centering it. We give it a size, and we're attaching it so that it's fixed. It doesn't move. Now that's 6 different lines, and you can put all of this code on one line using the background shorthand property. All right. And so here's what it looks like if we did it all on one line. So instead of background image, background color, background repeat, you just use background. And you do, let's say we want the image, of course. So here I'm going to, alright, once you use this, it starts overriding everything. So we got the image, we want it to have a green color, we want no repeat, and then we do center, alright, and then size, I'll do the size last, and we do fixed. Alright, so now to do the size. The one thing about size is like when you do background position, sometimes you're going to give it, I mean, there's a chance you might want to make it 100 pixels from the top, right? Then, if you do that, the web browser doesn't know if you're using it for the position or the size, this 100 pixels. They don't know what it's for. So what they do is, if you're going to use position and size, they want you to use a slash with it. So like if we have center, right? For the position, then you would slash and then the size. So I'll make it 500 pixels, like that. That's the correct way to do it. So you have the position slash size, just like this. And you can get rid of all that, and all on one line, just like that. If you don't have the slash here, the whole thing blows up. So it doesn't really know what's what. So you have to use slash between the position and the size. And if you just had 500 pixels here, you didn't have the center, it would think you're talking about 500 pixels from the over from the left. All right. So if you want to use size, you have to also use position. So let's say we wanted it to be top left. Here it is, top left. And Godzilla's top left. So he's fixed to the screen, that's why we can't see him. Alright, so let's make him center. Or we could do, what's this? So 100, center 200 pixels? There we go. So right now he is centered on the screen and 200 pixels from the top. And then his width, his size is 500 pixels. And fixed, like that. But anyway, so you can put all these things, however it was up here, all on one line. The only thing you have to remember is if you want to use a size, you have to also use the position and then put a slash in between them, like that. And so that's fine, so there it is. Alright, so that's that.